Hey guys, Eric here. Some of you may know me from my blog series Overweight Overseas, but today I wanted to talk to you about a quick industry update. We recently got our first look at the new aftermarket iPhone X LCD assemblies, and our techs have taken a pretty in-depth look at them, and we wanted to actually share our findings with you. Probably most importantly, this assembly doesn't actually contain an OLED, but rather an LCD, simply because the aftermarket OLED technology isn't quite up to par to be mass manufactured yet. Secondly, and probably most noticeable to your customers, is that these LCD assemblies are thicker than the OLEDs by about half a millimeter, mostly because the LCDs need to have a backlight and backplate while OLEDs don't. In terms of color, so far they're a bit cooler with a sharp red shift when looking at the screen outside of a regular viewing angle. Some of the quick things we've noticed in our testing so far include the temperature, which ramps up pretty quickly when in use and might be related to the extremely heavy battery usage when we installed the screen. Over the course of about a half an hour, we lost 30% battery before also seeing a minor amount of image burn, and for more detail on that, you can head over to our blog post. We'll keep everyone updated as we find more information, but for now, keep in mind that actual aftermarket OLEDs are still in development, so if you see a moderately cheap iPhone X assembly, it's probably just an LCD. For more industry news and other repair-related content, make sure you hit the subscribe button, like this video, and check out our blog post at mobiledefenders.com/blog.